Wednesday star Jenna Ortega has skyrocketed to fame for her leading roles in a wide range of TV shows and movies, most recently for Netflix's Wednesday. Jenna Ortega is without a doubt the most talked about female celebrity right now. She is in great demand in Hollywood, which is contributing to the accumulation of great wealth on her part, and her net worth reflects this. So, do you know how much she earned until now? What is her net worth? Well, according to the Studio 666, Jenna Ortega has a net worth that is expected to be $4 million as of November 2022. No doubt that is a tremendous amount for someone to have at the age of 20. So how does she spend her millions? On what luxuries does she spend her money? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Wednesday star Jenna Ortega. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Ortega has been a citizen of California since her childhood, and she has spent most of her time there. To date, she doesn't own any property of her own, but her house in California is about $50,000, with 5 big rooms, 5 bathrooms, 1 guest room, a wood fireplace, and also a big swimming pool that is one of her favorite places. Jenna Ortega also owns a few cars, although she doesn't drive that often as she is still 20 years old, but she likes to move with ease. She currently owns an Audi Q5, a Mercedes, and several more. Her Audi Q5 is the first in her collection. It must have cost her at least $30,000 because it is an incredible automobile. She also has a Mercedes GLA 250 in her collection, which cost her at least $50,000. Multiple reports suggest that she also owns a BMW M235i. It uses a 321 bhp turbocharged, straight-six engine coupled to a 6-speed manual gearbox. The BMW retails for $45,500. Jenna Ortega also has a very beautiful but small collection of dresses. When she attended the 2022 MTV Movie and TV Awards at Barker Hangar, she wore a black dress worth $87,000 with a Victoria ring, a band ring, and a Victoria graduated line necklace that looked perfect on her. She also attended the 2018 Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards wearing a Tommy Hilfiger Gigi Spring dress worth $102,000 and a crystal ring worth about $90,000. Other than these, she also has a comfortable jeans collection worth about $45,000 that she likes to wear. So what other things does she spend her millions on? We will discuss them further, so make sure you watch the video until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The Wednesday star also likes to spend her dollars on luxurious shoes, and she has a large collection of them. As her mother said in an interview, Jenna Ortega likes to buy comfortable shoes. In the Wednesday series, Jenna Ortega was styled by Colleen Atwood in the monolith leather lace-up shoes from Prada, distinguished by their 2-inch rubber sole. And this chunky pair comes with a price tag of $1,250. And this isn't the first time she has sported designer garb. In another episode, she wore a pair of thick-soled sneakers from luxury brand Naked Wolf, which fetched a price of $430. Other than these, she is also a big fan of high heels. So in different shows and award ceremonies, she wears shiny high heels of different luxurious brands, such as in the Star Awards, where she appeared with black shiny high heels that cost $4,500. Last but not least is Jenna Ortega's makeup collection. As we all know, Jenna Ortega is a 20-year-old girl, so she faces many skin problems at this age, and too much makeup irritates her skin, which results in breakouts. That's why she prefers to use high-quality and expensive makeup products with excellent formulas, so these products would not be harsh on her skin. According to some reports, she uses Huda Beauty products for her makeup. A single tube of lip gloss costs approximately $45, but a celebrity with $4 million can easily afford it for her daily makeup. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Jenna Ortega's millionaire lifestyle? Tell us in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.